myself Jyotsna and I'm teaching mathematics in City International School. So, before starting my session, I just want to give tons of thanks to our director ma'am, Sunita Gandhi ma'am, just because she has given us a wonderful opportunity so that we can directly interact with you all children. And today I will discuss a new topic, that is number sense. The number sense. So before starting, I just want to know, what do you mean by a number sense? Number sense. Number sense simply means that it helps. It is a very useful just because of it will be helpful to you all to understand the importance of numbers, their relationship, and how they are affected by the different operations. Now, it is just because it will be helpful you all to think very flexibly. It is helpful to you all to promote confidence among you all that you can easily deal with the numbers. Now, today I will teach you, this is number sense. Number sense. Number sense refers to the intuitive understanding of numbers, their relationship, and how they are affected by operations. It is important because it encourages a student to think flexibly and promotes confidence to deal with numbers easily. This number sense topic is bifurcated into, I have segmented this topic in different subparts known and I will start with today the place value and face value. There are different types of topic covered under this: ascending order, descending order, expanded form, short forms, and place value and face value, greater than, less than, equal to. So now today just because
Place value is the value of digit according to the position. This word place this word place shows the position. As you all know, place shows is related to the position. In the same manner, the place value of any digit, whenever we talk about the place value, it is related to the position of the number given. It can be at ones place value, tens place, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, and so on. Now, let's take one example, that is place value of 2 in the number 124. If I will ask you, what is the place value of 2 in the number 124? The very easy step is we can start placing the digits from the right hand side. Now 4 is given at ones place value, 2 is given at tens place value, and 1 is given at 100 place value. So what is the place value of 2? The place value of 2 is 100. 2 is tens, that is 2 into 10 will give you 20. Now let's talk about the face value. Face value is of any digit is same as the digit itself. Suppose 6 is written here, so the face value of 6 will be 6. The face value of 4 is 4. We can take this example also. If we want to find out the face value of 2 in the number 124, so the face value of 4 will be 4, the face value of 2 will be 2, and 1 will be 1. The value is same, the face value will be same no matter wherever the number is placed, whether it is placed on ones place value, tens place value, or 100 place value. Now, this is a place value chart. Our number system is divided into two parts: international number system and Indian number system. Now you can see the parts. This has been divided into 4 categories, that is crores, lakhs, thousands, ones. these are the columns which you can see in the green of green color. They are known as periods. Now these periods includes ones period include hundreds, tens, ones. Thousand period include 10,000, thousand. Lakhs period include lakhs, 10 lakhs. Crores period will include 10 crores and crores. Why we are it's very important to divide the numbers divide these categories into periods, just because it will be helpful for you all to read the bigger number very easily. Now can you see this number 3875621332? It's very big number, and actually I'm feeling difficult to read it. So if it is categorized into periods, you can easily read the number. Secondly, you can write the number very easily. And third, you can easily compare the numbers by dividing into different periods. Now come to the next. Now 2, you can see this number 2. 2 is given at ones place value. So 2 is given at ones place. 3 is written at tens place value. 3, I will write 3 tens. 1 is given at hundreds place value, so I will write 100. 2 is given at thousand place value, so I will write 2000, and so on. 2 ones means 2 will be multiplied by 1 and the product will be 2. 3 is given at tens place value. We will multiply 3 with 10 and we will get 30. Now 100, at 100 position 1 is given. We will multiply 1 by 100 and we will get 100. 2 is given at 1000 place value. So we will multiply 2 by 1000. We will get 2000. And this 10,000 place value, which digit is written? 6. So I will write 6, 10,000, and what next we will do? We will multiply 6 into 10,000 will give you 60,000. In lakhs, which digit is given at lakhs place value? That is 5. Now what I will write? 5 lakhs, and 5 will be multiplied by 1 lakh, that is 5 multiplied by 1 lakh will give you 5 lakh. This is 7 is given at 10 lakh place value. So 7 10 lakhs. I will multiply 7 into 10 lakh, means how many zeros are there in lakhs? 5. So next, how many zeros will be there in 10 lakhs? That is 6. 10 into 1 lakh will give you 10 lakh. So 7 into 10 lakh will give you 70 lakh. In crores, 8 is written just below the crores place value. So we will multiply 8 into 1 crore. How many zeros are there in 1 crore? Yeah, 7. So I will write 1 and I will put 7 zeros. 8 into 1 crore will give you 8 crores. This 10 crores, in 10 crores place value, which digit is written? 3. So I will write 10 crores and I will multiply 3 into 10 crores and I will get the answer 30 crores. Now come to the next, that is, can you see these arrows of blue color? I hope so. You all can see. Now this arrow shows whenever we start moving from the right hand side to the left hand side, what will happen? We will multiply the digits by into 10. we will keep on multiplying the digit with 10. If we that is when we move from ones place to the tens place, we will multiply 10. When we move from tens to 100, again we will multiply with 10. When we move from 100 place value to the 1000 place value, then again we will multiply it by 10. Means we will keep on multiplying 10 into 10 with the previous digit, with the previous place values. So come to the next slide. Now this is a periods. I have defined the periods. This is a chart has been separated into 4 groups, which you have already seen. Each group is called period. Ones period you can see in the previous slide. Ones period is consist of hundreds, tens, ones and thousands. It covers 10,000, 1,000. In lakhs you can see 10 lakh and lakhs. In crores, 10 crores and crores. So marking the period helps you to read the large number easily. Marking period will help you to compare numbers simply, and it will help you to write the numbers very correctly. Now come to this example of place value. Can you see the number? Now firstly 8 is written at 10,000 place. At 1000 place 9 is written in first row, and then hundreds 5 is written, tens 3 is given, at one place value 4 is given. Now if I want to write this number, if I have written this number, suppose like this, 9 I have written at 10,000 place value, and I have written 8 at 1000 place. So do you think, is it same? Are both the numbers same? No. Why? Because seeing the similar digit is not important, but the digit which is placed at different place values. We can see 9 is placed at here, the 9 is placed at 1000 place value, and here 9 I have placed at 10,000 place value. So digits are placed at different place values, so the number is not exactly same at the previous number. Now come to this question. Now 6 is given at ones place value, 5 is written at tens place, 9 is written at 100, 8 is written at 1000 place value and 3 is written at 10,000, and I have written the digits here. If I will ask you to write the face value of each digit and write the place values also. So what we will see, 3. We will start with 3. 3, what will be the face value of 3? The digit itself, it will be similar. So we will write, what will be the face value of 3? It will remain 3. And what will be the place value of 3? 3 is written at which place value? That is 10,000. So what we will do? We will multiply 3 into 10,000. We will get 30,000. 8 is given at 1000 place value. I will write 8 here. And what is the face value of 8? Face value of 8 will be 8. And the place value of 8 will be 8 into 1000 will give you 8,000. Come to the next. Now 9 is given at 100 place. I will write here 9. 9. What is the face value of 9? Remain same. It will be the digit itself. So I will write 9 here. And place value, I will check it from the chart. Above you can see 9 is placed at which place value? That is 100. So what I will do? I will multiply 9 by 100. I will get 900. Means the place value of 9 is 900. Come to the next. 5 is written at tens place value. So the face value of 5 will be 5, but the place value of 5 will be 5 into 10 will give you 50. Now next, last one, ones. The digit which is given at ones place value is 6. The face value of 6 will be remain as it is, that is 6, and the place value of 6 will be 6 into 1 will give you 6. Now I will start with the next subtopic, that is comparison of numbers. Now, comparison of numbers. If I talk about comparison of numbers, we all like, suppose if your mother gives you a chocolate and your father gives you a pizza. So, which thing you will prefer? You want to eat chocolate or pizza? Definitely you will like pizza. So, you will open your mouth towards the pizza. In the same way, suppose your grandmother is giving you only 10 rupees and your grandfather is giving you 20. So, how many rupees you want to take? Of course 20, because 20 is greater than 10. In the same manner, we used to compare the numbers also. Now you can see comparison of numbers. It includes greater than, less than, and equal to. Now see what is given. First number is 7,891. You can start if you feel difficult to recognize the place values. So it's better to write down the place values above. 1 is given at ones, tens, 100 and 1000. This number is in thousands, and number is given 787, means 787 ones, tens, 100, and this number is in hundreds. So of course you can see that this number is in thousands and this number is given in hundreds. So which number will be greater? 1001. So this 7,891 is greater than 787. You will open the mouth, the dragon will open the mouth in front of 7,891. Now next, what is written? 1,458, and next number is also given. Next number is also 1,458. Both the numbers are equal, so we will put equal to sign here. Now come to the next. You can see first number is written 4,557 and next is written 4,559. Although you can see this number is also in thousand, this number is also in thousand. What to do next? What we have to do next, we will start comparing the numbers from the left hand side. We will start considering one number from the left hand side of this side and one number from this side. Start comparing. 4 is similar to 4. Then come to the next. 5 is also same. 5 is also written here. 5 is also written here. Then come to the next. 5 is written here. 5 is written here. Then come to the next. Check. We have to check once again. Now 7 is written here and 9 is written. So what we can say is 7 is greater than 9 or 9 is greater than 7. 9 is greater than 7. It means that all the digits at 4, 5, 5 and here also 4, 5, 5, all three digits are same as this number. But 7 here, 7 is smaller than 9. So what we can say that 4,557 is less than 4,559. Therefore, we will open the amount towards 4,559. You can take so many other examples also. Now, before I conclude my session, I just want to say, stay at home, be safe, be healthy, and take care of yourself. Thank you.